Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Form theme. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go up to the top and select where it says Customize Theme. Go ahead and just select that button. I believe it's the palette. I think that's what the painters call it. There's a little paint icons on it. And then on the right panel, there should be something that says theme here. You can adjust the text style changes here. You can change the background color as well. And you can change the header by selecting image uploaded. You can do a custom theme. You can upload your own custom one, or you can select one from your photo library. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.